Shut the water off. Move the hose from the toilet. Grab the toilet and wiggle it until it breaks free. Shouldn't take much. Might need some help because it might be a little heavy, depending on what kind of toilet you got. And this sucker's heavy. Now the fun part, put on some gloves and you have to remove the old wax ring. When you replace this, we're not going to use another wax ring. Wax rings are junk. They have another type of gasket that seals a lot better than the wax ring does. Get this cleaned up real good so that you can put the new ring on. This is what the ring looks like. It's better than wax, and there's no mess the next time you have to take the toilet out, if you ever have to. Then you have this piece here to extend it up more if your flange is further in the floor. This one is actually sticking up too much, in my opinion. So I don't need that extension. You take the ring and put it on the bolts like this. You can use a hair dryer to help soften up the wax so you can wipe it off easier, and make sure that you wipe the wax off the bottom of the toilet as well. Now the tricky part, you have to straighten out the flange bolts, and then you have to set the toilet on top of it where the flange bolts will stick out so you can tighten up the nuts. Got it lined up. Now I have to try to pull flange bolts up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so YouTube will share it with others. It's recommended that you use the new flange bolts because they'll be long enough. I wanted to keep the old ones. I should have just changed them because it would have saved a lot of time. Now you have to tighten these up incrementally. Tighten that side a little bit. Then you come over here, tighten the other side. And you're going to keep doing that until you get them snug. But you don't want to make them too tight because you'll break the toilet. When you get the toilet snug on the floor and it's not moving anymore, you're going to reconnect the supply line. Get it hand tight. Don't use any tools. Now turn the water on, let the toilet fill up, and then you're going to flush it and see if there's any water leaking out underneath. Try it again. Getting flush right. Now we got a good flush. Not seeing any water, but it could still be a tiny leak. Time will tell. You just have to keep an eye on it for a couple days. And this toilet is really bad because they screwed up the flange. So it moves. I might have to put some shims or something under here. That's how you can change the ring on your toilet, if necessary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.